Hey guys, and welcome back to another Subaru WRX vlog. I apologize for the little bit of road noise. I'm on the highway and it's windy. But today, we're going to be talking about a conversation that I had with a couple Subaru dealers on what it takes to void your Subaru warranty. Before we get started, guys, if you want to see more automotive content or more WRX content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is a really important topic for many of us because a Subaru warranty means so much, both for the life of the car, the cost of ownership, and the little things that break on a day-to-day basis that we want to get fixed at no cost. I myself have taken full advantage of the little bit of remaining Subaru warranty on my WRX. In future videos, you'll see that I've gotten the steering wheel replaced, the shift knob replaced, my AC blower fan replaced, all things that probably didn't need to be done that I complained about and got done for free. Let me tell you a little bit about what I chose to do. I contacted 3 local Subaru dealers, 3 dealers that I would possibly bring my car into, and I did a little bit of research both for myself and for you guys. The main thing that I was looking to clarify is what exactly can I do to my car without voiding the warranty. Now, this isn't super important for me right now with the bumper to bumper, but what's really important here is I have a CVT. And before you guys give a lot of hate, it's my daily commuter car. It made sense. Now, what's important here is I have a pretty long-standing warranty on this CVT, but I need to make sure that I don't void it at some point by modifying my car. This video applies to many of you guys that have bumper-to-bumper warranties and have the powertrain warranty, which lasts a lot longer. After talking to both technicians, the head technician, and the service, like front desk people at all 3 dealers, I kind of got the same answer, which is probably a good thing, so it's not varied. But it's also a bad thing because it means it might be hard to go around to different dealers and try to kind of negotiate your case. To give you a little background, I went about an hour out in each direction from me to test these dealers out, so they weren't planned together. The Subaru dealers don't have a policy that they're working with together. The likelihood of them communicating with about this is very low. Let's get right into the answer. The main thing all the dealers told me, especially for the powertrain end of the warranty, for bumper to bumper, they didn't care. But anything that can be affected by changes in power, they said they will not be repairing. Before you get ahead of yourself, they did clarify that they use the 5% rule. Now, I've never heard of that. I've never heard someone, say that. And I thought it was kind of weird that all 3 dealers said the 5% rule. But if you're doing anything to your car, according to them, that increases anything more than 5% of the power, that kind of gives you the ability to put an exhaust on your car, because they know a lot of people do it. That's okay. But if you go above and beyond 5%, that's when they say, hey, anything that was affected by the power is no longer covered under warranty. So I know that was a quick conclusion. There wasn't a lot of discussion on their end. It was kind of firm, this is what we do, we don't talk about it. Knowing that they don't negotiate at all, my next question was what a lot of people will say in the automotive community, and especially in the WRX community, is that the dealer needs to prove that your part broke because of that added power. Being somebody that's very into cars, whether I'm hiding a tune, taking off the parts before I bring it in, there's definitely ways to mask whether or not I've had increased power. But this is definitely an important question, especially for those that are going to bring your modified car into the dealer. Does the dealer have to prove that your extra power mods are the thing that broke the part? And again, I got a completely uniform answer. All 3 dealers said no, and it's a common misconception. According to the deal in the warranty itself, it says that we void it ourselves and that it's not up to the Subaru dealer to make that assessment. They can actually go so far as to not cover anything under warranty if you have any modification, if they so choose. But a lot of them say they won't do that because they want to keep their customers. So that means for all of you guys out there that are modifying your car, pretty much anything that's aesthetic and anything that doesn't affect your power is okay. It is also okay to put a catback exhaust on your car, and most dealers will still accept it under warranty. But anything else, sometimes you might find that your dealer will be they'll look the other way. But for most Subaru dealers, when they're filling out the paperwork, they have to say whether or not you have power modifications or modifications that will affect power. You might not be gaining it, but you might be changing mass flow, intake flow. So, something like an air intake would void your warranty. So this means a couple things. It shouldn't be that scary because it's pretty easy to take a lot of these things off your car before you go to the dealer. But just know, with technology now, it is possible to see and mark whether or not a tune has been applied to your ECU. So just know that they can look out and see what you've done to your car. Now with stuff like an air intake, if you can remove that and for some reason you don't have a tune with that on, you'll be fine. Just remember, every time you bring in your car, they document what's going on. So if you brought it in with an air intake the first time, you bring it again without an air intake, your warranty won't stand. Now what I'm really interested in is, have any of you guys been able to go into a dealer with a power modification and get away with getting something fixed on warranty? Comment down below if you have. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more WRX content. It's coming soon.